I'm Daisy, and here's 3 things we love about this Vax cordless vacuum cleaner. It thoroughly cleans all floor surfaces, effortlessly picks up stray pet hairs, and lets you swap batteries when you need more runtime. Whether you're cleaning up a spill on your laminate hard flooring or deep cleaning your lounge carpets, the multi-purpose floor head thoroughly cleans every surface in your home with really pristine results. The mini motorised pet tool makes cleaning up after your pet a complete breeze, as it lifts stubborn embedded pet hair quickly to leave your carpets looking fresher than ever. There's also no need to rush your vacuum cleaning routine either, as each battery provides you with up to 45 minutes of continuous suction power. If you want to find out more, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.